Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another new video. So in this video we were gonna create a building style magic. Alright, let me go to my Notion first. So we're gonna create a building style magic using your own brand. Alright, it can be a coffee brand, it can be a phone brand, anything you like. Alright, so, and I'm gonna insert the Notion link in the description below. So, for your convenience, you can check it out and follow along. Alright, so what's the first part is I'm gonna go to Google Gemini. Alright, and first I'm gonna create the image. By the way, Gemini 3 Pro is here, guys. So, and soon I will be creating a video on this, so don't worry. For now, we will say no thanks. Okay, first we are gonna upload of my folder. So what my brand will be is my brand will be about our channel. Okay, and we are gonna go back to Notion and copy this and submit. So this time we are gonna use the teaching word logo. We are gonna use my brand, my channel brand. All right, but other than that, you can try along. You can try coffee brand. You can try phone brand. You can try clothes brand. Any brand you like. You don't have to follow along in the logo. You can try any brand you like. All right. Okay. So wow, this looks so cool. Gonna download this, and now what we're gonna do is we are gonna go to Picverse, or we are gonna go to Hinks AI. Let's see, and we are gonna go to video. We're gonna attach the downloaded image generated from Google Gemini. All right. Okay, and we're gonna try Picverse also. We'll see how the result is. Okay, now we're gonna go back to the my Notion and we're gonna copy the video prompt. I'm gonna paste in Picverse. I'm gonna click generate. Also, same with things field. We're gonna use the cling. You can choose your model also. So I'm just gonna choose the cling 2.5 turbo, and I'm gonna paste the prompt. And we are gonna click generate. And it's being generated also in here. Okay, this is quite good. It can be better, but it's good. It's like it's rotating the building. Alright, so it's good. Let's see. Okay, Hinksfield will take some time to generate this. So once this is generated already, I'll get back. Okay, so we have our result now. Let's see how the result is. Okay, so same result like Picverse, but I feel the quality is much better than Picverse. So I'm gonna go with this as well. You can download this. Alright, so that's it guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. This is how you can create a building style magic. You can create a building style using your own brand, like how I just created. Alright, and I hope you like this video guys, and if you're watching until the very end, please don't forget to drop a yellow heart or yellow star, And also, guys, don't forget to support the channel. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I will see you in the next video.